Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to message employers in the Instawork app so you can communicate clearly and improve your chances of getting hired. First, open the Instawork app and tap the Messages or Inbox icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your chat area where you can see conversations related to your shift offers and applications. In Instawork, you can reply to messages from employers once they contact you or after you receive a shift offer. You typically cannot start a new message with an employer unless there is an existing conversation or active shift involved. To respond, tap on the conversation with the employer. When writing your message, be clear and professional. Introduce yourself if it's your first message in that chat. Mention the specific shift or job you are referring to, and ask any questions you may have. This helps employers understand your intentions and availability. After typing your message, tap Send. You will receive replies in the same chat window, so be sure to check your messages regularly to stay updated on shift confirmations, changes, or other important details. Using the messaging feature effectively helps you build good communication with employers, which can increase your chances of getting hired for future shifts. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.